Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna see what is computer and its full explanation. So computers are essential tools in our digital age. The global computer market exceeded 900 billion in 2023. Over 5.3 million people use the internet worldwide, highlighting their widespread impact. So stay tuned till the end. Before moving forward, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative content. So let's understand the core concept behind computers. First is it is an electronic device. It processes, stores and retrieves data swiftly. Second thing is computer executes instructions. It performs the program task at high speeds. Third is, let's see its key functions. What computer does? It usually manages data, it communicates, and it computes. And the fourth one is it transforms data. It converts raw input into meaningful information. Whenever you are writing anything on the keyboard, that will be like a electronic input. It will convert that particular thing into the machine readable format and then perform the actions which are intended. Let's see the hardware and the physical foundation of computer. So computer is made up of multiple hardware parts. First is central processing unit. The central processing unit is nothing but the brain of the computer. Like it can be Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 5, like that. Those are CPUs. So whatever computation happens, that will happens inside CPU. Second thing is memory or RAM, random access memory. This will be a temporary storage for the active data, like you are having 16 GB DDR4 RAM in your desktop. Third thing will be storage. Storage is nothing but long term data retention. For example, your SSD or HDD, solid state drive or hardware drive. The last thing will be peripherals like input or output devices like keyboards, monitors, mic, etc. So this, when you combine all this part, you can say that particular thing as a computer. So these are the different hardware parts of computer. Let's see the software which we use inside computer. So in computer, the main software will be our operating system. Operating system manages hardware and software. Example, Windows 11 is one operating system. Then Mac OS is one operating system. Linux is operating system. Then in that operating system, we will be having multiple application softwares. These softwares are designed to perform specific user tasks like Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, Adobe Premiere Pro. This will be having specific use cases. Users will use all these applications inside the operating systems. And the third thing will be programming languages. These programming languages used to create tools for creating softwares. The programming languages like Python, Java, C++, etc. Over 90% of global data is generated digitally. It showcases software's reach all over the world. Let's move towards how computers process information. Input, processing, and output cycle. So first we enter data via keyboard or microphone. Then computer process this particular data with the help of CPU, central processing unit. It execute instructions for calculations. Then based on this processing, it will give us the output. The output results will be displayed on the screen or we can print them as well. The next thing will be the storage. Whatever the output data is there, the data will be saved inside hard drive or cloud storage. So this is how computer process information. Let's see what are the diverse words of computers. We are having personal computers like desktops and laptops like MacBook Air, Dell XPS. Then we are having mobile devices. These are like a small computers. Smartphones and tablets such as iPhone 15, Samsung S25 Ultra. Then we are having servers. Server provide network services like AWS, EC2 Cloud, then Google Cloud Platform GCP. Then we will be having embedded systems like specialized function in smart TVs and car ECUs. Then at the end we are having supercomputers, high performance computing like frontline systems, etc. So these are the diverse words of computers. Let's see computers impact and evolution from ENIAC to microprocessors. ENIAC started in 1964 and it reached till today's compact designs. Second thing will be the global revolution. With the help of computers, it transformed commerce, education, and healthcare departments. Then, economic driver. Computers fueled a 5.3 trillion tech industry in 2022. You can see the impact on the global economy. At the end, innovation catalyst. Computers drives advancements in AI, IoT, and quantum computing. So this is how computer evolves, and this is how it impacted worldwide. Let's conclude our video. So computer are nothing but the foundation of the digital age. What computers are doing? They are shaping our future. They're continuously evolving, shaping digital security. Second thing, they are enabling digital literacy. Everyone is understanding computers unlock the essential skills. Third thing is core functionality. Computer are processes, stores and communicate information, which is helping moving forward in this digital era. And the last thing will be fundamental to life. Computers are essential for modern daily activities. So we have covered in detail explanation about what are computers. If you are have any doubt, make sure to comment in the comment section. I will try to reply. And that's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this particular video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.